Welcome to day 27 of our graphics and multimedia journey. Today we explore how vector graphics adapt differently when used in print versus digital media. By the end, we will be confident in choosing the right settings and formats based on our design's final destination. Why does this distinction matter? Because a visually stunning digital graphic can end up blurry or inaccurate when printed, and vice versa. Understanding the differences empowers us to design once and export right every time. Let's break down the core differences. Print media relies on CMYK color, high resolution, and formats like PDF and EPS. Digital media, in contrast, prefers RGB, screen optimized resolution, and formats like SVG or PNG. We also see differences in how fonts and file types are handled. In print, we work with CMYK, crayon, magenta, yellow, and key or black to layer colors physically. Digital screens, however, use RGB, red, green, and blue to emit light. If we design in RGB and then convert to CMYK, we might notice unexpected color shifts. DPI stands for dots per inch and is crucial for print sharpness. We usually aim for 300 dpi. On the other hand, PPI or pixels per inch refers to screen resolution, typically 72 or 96. Vectors scale smoothly, but raster elements embedded in them must match the resolution context. Each file format has its strengths. AI is perfect for editable design, EPS is print friendly, and PDFs are universally accepted. SVG excels on the web. PNG and JPEG are raster exports that may be needed depending on the medium. Fonts can make or break our designs. In print, we either embed fonts or convert them to outlines to prevent substitution. Digitally, we stick with wave-safe fonts or use CSS to load custom ones. Consistency in font handling ensures professional output. Let's prepare our file for print. We set resolution to 300 dpi, switch to CMYK, outline fonts, and include bleed and crop marks. The final export should ideally be in PDF or EPS to maintain fragility. When designing for digital, we stay in RGB model. We choose SVJ for scalability and responsiveness. We optimize file sizes for faster loading, and we preview our designs on different screen sizes to ensure they look great everywhere. Here are some mistakes we want to avoid. Designing in RGB for print, using low res raster images in vector files, forgetting to outline fonts, and using PNG logos for wave instead of SVGs. Let's stay mindful of this. Real-world examples show the impact. A logo designed in RGB, printed with washed out colors, a web SVG logo that looks crisp at any size, a vector file ruined by a low resolution embedded raster image. We learn best by analyzing such outcomes. Now it's our turn. We will design a simple vector-based logo or badge. Then we will export it twice, once for print as a CMYK PDF at 300 dpi and once for digital as an optimized SVG. Let's put theory into practice. To recap, vectors are flexible but only when handled correctly. Print and digital have different needs, and our success depends on how we set up our designs from the beginning. Color modes, resolution, and file formats are our keys to quality. Up next in Day 28 project, we will use what we have learned today to create a symbolic graphic, a logo, badge, or insignia that's optimized for both print and digital. Let's design with purpose and precision. And thank you for your attention.